Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials, booking reference, passport or ID, and any required travel documents. Once done, open the KLM app or go to the website and sign in with your booking code. Make sure to confirm whether online check-in opens for your route and note the time window. That avoids surprises. Now select your passenger, verify names and travel documents, and proceed to seat selection. Do this early to secure preferred seating. Once signed in, proceed to fill required passport details and any frequent flyer or contact information. Accuracy matters for travel and immigration. Next, choose your seat or upgrade if needed and add checked baggage or special requests. This is where extra fees appear, so decide now. After that, pick how you want your boarding pass: mobile on phone, printable PDF, or add to KLM wallet. If you encounter payment prompts, complete them to finalize extras and reservations. Finish by downloading or saving your boarding pass and any baggage receipts. Keep an offline copy so you don't rely only on Signal. Then confirm airport arrival time, because extra security or document checks can add delays. Aim earlier rather than later. If the boarding pass won't generate, or you see name mismatches, immediately contact KLM support or the airport check-in desk. They can reissue passes or correct details. One tip: clear the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.